Tyrannosaurus Rex. Tyrannosaurus Rex. Rah, 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 rah.
I'm gonna eat your family. Space Dragon and Kim. Hey, Kim. Speaking of the T-Rex, whatever happened to all the dinosaurs?
I don't know what you mean. They haven't gone anywhere. In fact, I have one as a pet right here. See, this right here is May, the silvery-cheeked hornbill.
That's no dinosaur. That there's a birdie.
Yeah, that there's a birdie.
All right.
You liar.
I fibbed just a little bit, but take a look at this. This is the skeleton of the silvery-cheeked hornbill, and then compare it to this. See, that is the fossil of a guanlong. A guanlong is a dinosaur that was in the same family as a T-Rex.
Huh, they look almost identical.
That's why some scientists believe that not all dinosaurs went extinct, but that some of them evolved over millions of years to become creatures like this.
Wow, so you're telling me that this bird's great ancestors were dinosaurs?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That is why they have similar characteristics, like the long faces, the clawed feet, and the feathers.
That's right. Dinosaurs had feathers. Get over it, hey turds.
Her cheeks are silvery.
They are.
Yeah, look at those little spots, and her beak almost reminds me of a rock. I bet it's good for like breaking open nuts and stuff like that.
Oh yeah. Just because she might have evolved from a dinosaur does not mean that she's gonna eat us.
Okay.
No, she really likes grapes, but maybe she's full. She ate it. Oh, there's a big one. You want a big one?
Oh, eat it up.
Can you eat a whole big one? You can.
Eat it, eat
It's too
it,
big.
eat it. Well,
See you
later. Got any more fun birds?
Well, I'm so glad you asked. This is Vega, the blue-fronted Amazon parrot.
Cuteness supreme.
Come on. Hello. Hello. Ah, good girl.
Police? Yeah, there's a mutant talking bird here.
La 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 la. Hello, good girl. Oh, you did a good job. See, she can't really have a conversation, but she can mimic the sounds in her environment.
Okay. How come I've never seen one of these outside before?
These particular birds are found more in South America.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
What an interesting name. A blue-fronted Amazon for a green bird? Where's the blue?
It's blue. There's just a little bit of blue.
I see. Yeah, right on the face
there.
there. Look, she's dancing.
You like it, boo?
Birdie Club in the Bird Club.
Yes, we are.
Bird Club. I keep hearing a squawking sound. Do you have another bird back there?
Yeah, I do. Let's check it out. This is Samson, the sulfur-crested cockatoo. So Samson likes to eat things like fruits, nuts, and bugs.
Ew! You eat fruits and nuts?
All right, enough. You know that bugs were the gross thing, and that's it.
Even a bird like this is very dino-like.
It's true,
Yeah, look at those feet.
Look at them. But you know what? There are birds of prey, like hawks and eagles. Their feet and claws are enormous and look even more dino-like.
Yeah, I got a joke for you.
What?
What kind of bird loves going to church?
Oh, no. What?
A bird of prey!
Yeah, that's how I felt. It was a bad joke. It was
Samson
bad.
liked it.
It was no, he didn't.
Yeah, see what he did with his feathers there?
He was peeved.
Yeah, he looked like my dad in the 1980s. Look at that mohawk. So can this cockatoo do any cool tricks?
You want to see something cool?
Yeah.
Check it out.
Whoa, cockatoos can roller skate? Grind a rail, bro! Do a loop-de-loop.
Looks like he's going. He's going. He's going. Oh my, he's really going.
And he's dancing.
Woo!
He
Work
did it.
Woo! Woo! Yeah! Good boy.
Look at your hair. It looks like the spikes on my helmet.
It does.
That's awesome.
You're practically twins.
Yeah,
Kind of.
but I'm cuter.
Well.
Yeah, that's pushing it, right? Well, Kim, thanks for showing me all these cool birds.
No problem.
I can see how dinosaurs evolved into birds now. And kids, remember, next time a bird poops upon your head, just be grateful that hippopotamuses cannot fly.
Yeah.